Hi, this is Trent Nelson, and somebody has asked me to keep talking about the mind-body connection and alternative ways of looking at symptoms or diagnoses and how to use the mind-body approach to understanding or using the mind to actually healing the symptoms of a particular diagnosis. And so happy to do that. Somebody wanted to know about the diagnosis of urinary tract infections. So a lot of times people get urinary tract infections, bladder infections, and want to know, well, what does that say about the mind? What could be the mind's approach to dealing with those types of symptoms, which are usually an irritation or a hotness or a pain during urination. It could be a discomfort and feeling of irritation in the bladder. And so these types of infections, sometimes they can be related to sexual issues. They can be related to people who, let's say they're uncomfortable or they're not necessarily wanting to have sex and they feel like they have to or they feel like they're supposed to, and so then they develop these types of symptoms in that area because the body is trying to speak to them. The body speaks. The body's trying to tell them something. Another reason for this can be that a person is pissed off. It's very interesting. We say, I'm pissed off. And we use the languaging that matches the symptoms. Like, I feel pissed off. I have a bladder infection, or I have a urinary tract infection. I feel pissed off. And so people who have these symptoms may need to go in and look at what it is that they are experiencing symptom-wise, and how they're, what they might be upset about or who they might be pissed off at or angry with, and can use that, the body's language there to help them understand emotionally and psychologically what they may be experiencing. So this is a great example of how the body is trying to tell you what it needs all the time. And so if you experience these types of symptoms and you would like to explore this kind of concept more, I can be contacted at www.lulu.com/Trent Inspires, or you can email me at trentnelsonInspires@hotmail.com. And absolutely these symptoms can be healed. You can learn to heal yourself of these symptoms. And so hopefully that answers the question, and I hope this helps people to heal this type of situation. Thanks for watching this YouTube.